What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. I'm back, guys, with my #1 postcard affiliate business, the Postcard Tycoon. Go check it out at thepostcarddiva.com. If you're looking for a simple way to make money offline, guys, this is a perfect opportunity. I've been an affiliate marketer with the company since 2016. It's a stable company. You're paid directly from the person that joins you. You're able to make $300 commissions over and over and over. What's so cool about this program, though, is it comes already with a start in your starter kit. You get 250 postcards, 250 leads. You also get a website coded to you with your name and number on it. Okay, now Tycoon also comes with what I love, this super duper bonus they call the 5 for life. Okay, after every fifth sale to infinity, over and over and over, after every fifth sale, the company's going to send you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps, guys. That is powerful. Okay, call this number and check out the program. Okay, but get started with me. Everybody that joins me will receive an additional 500 leads from me personally for joining my team. Okay, so if you're ready to start making these $300 commissions, mailing these proven postcards, go get signed up at thepostcarddiva.com. Look forward to working with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, see you guys on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.